How to apply as a Lazada delivery rider in the Philippines. I'm going to tell you how to apply as a Lazada delivery rider. First, visit lex.ph, which is Lazada's official logistics partner portal. Click on the Join Us or Apply Now button to start your application. Fill out the online form with your personal details, including your full name, contact information, and location. You'll need to provide the following requirements: a valid professional driver's license, your own motorcycle or delivery vehicle, necessary documents such as vehicle registration and insurance. After submitting your application, wait for a confirmation message or call from Lazada's recruitment team. Once approved, you'll receive training and be onboarded as an official Lazada delivery rider. For more information, you can also check out job listings on platforms like JobStreet or Indeed.